Imagine filling your car with fuel made from sugarcane. Imagine reducing India's dependence on imported crude oil. Imagine farmers playing a direct role in powering the country's transportation system. It may sound futuristic, but India is steadily moving toward an ethanol-powered future. And flex fuel vehicles could become one of the biggest transportation revolutions of the coming decade. But what exactly are flex fuel vehicles? A flex fuel vehicle is designed to run on different mixtures of petrol and ethanol. For example, E20 contains 20% ethanol and 80% petrol. E85 contains 85% ethanol and 15% petrol. Some specially designed vehicles can even run on E100, which is pure ethanol. The vehicle automatically adjusts its engine settings depending on the fuel mixture being used. Now the obvious question is, why is India so interested in ethanol? The answer lies in energy security. India imports a large share of its crude oil requirements from other countries. Every year, billions of dollars are spent on oil imports. This creates pressure on foreign exchange reserves and increases dependence on global energy markets. Ethanol offers a domestic alternative. Unlike petrol and diesel, ethanol is a renewable biofuel produced from agricultural feedstocks such as sugarcane, maize, corn, and agricultural residues. This means fuel can be produced within the country itself. And here's where the story becomes even more interesting. India's ethanol mission is not just an energy story. It is also an agriculture story. Farmers can supply raw materials for ethanol production, creating additional income opportunities and expanding agricultural markets. This directly connects rural development with national energy policy. And if you are enjoying these powerful current affairs explainers that simplify complex news into easy to understand stories, your one like, one share, and one subscribe genuinely motivates us to continue creating premium quality informative videos every single day. Supporters also argue that ethanol can help reduce fossil fuel dependence and contribute to cleaner transportation. While it is not a perfect solution, it is often seen as an important transition fuel on the path toward a greener future. Countries around the world are exploring multiple mobility solutions, including electric vehicles, hydrogen technologies, hybrid systems, and biofuels. India is taking a similar approach. One country frequently cited as a success story is Brazil. Millions of vehicles in Brazil already run on ethanol-rich fuels, proving that large-scale adoption is possible when supported by the right infrastructure and policies. However, challenges still remain. India must expand ethanol production capacity, strengthen fuel distribution infrastructure, and address concerns related to water use and feedstock availability. There is also an ongoing debate about balancing food production with fuel production. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits are significant.